Hello RC lovers. Today we'll be upgrading the stock tires which comes along with the Typhon Grom BLX, and we'll be replacing these stock tires with Pro-Line Dumont tires. These are 12 hex as it says at the back, right, and which means it will perfectly fit into Typhon Grom as well, because it also has a 12 hex hub. As you see, these are 10 spoke, very nice sporty look, and they're pre-glued, so which means we can put them to work right away. As you see, these tires are V-shaped tread, and these are very firm if you press them, right, because there's a foam padding to it, as compared to if you look at the stock tires. You press it, there is no foam padding to it. And one of the reasons that this size of cars, right, there's usually they want to keep it simple and lightweight, so they don't put the stock tires with the foam padding, and that is the reason these tires have better traction. These tires are specialized for sand and snow, and I'm looking for a better traction on those surfaces. While these tires, stock tires, might also work, I haven't tried it. I tried it on grass. It was pretty okay. So I want to see that if I can get a better traction from these Pro lines. Okay, so let's get to the work. Let's remove these tires and replace with the Pro-Line ones. One thing I will say, that this is a pretty straightforward upgrade. And also I will ask my viewers if you can comment on any other recommendation for specialized tires which supports sand and snow. These tires are pretty expensive. The Pro-Line tires are approximately $42. Right, so here we are. We're done with our 10 spoke Pro-Line Dumont tires, specialized for sand and snow, and I hope for grass. So this is the 3S battery, so let's keep it to 50%. And let's see how it looks. Looking good, all ready to go for a ride.